Traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With the right planning, creativity, and resourcefulness, you can explore the world without draining your savings. Whether you're dreaming of tropical beaches, bustling cities, or tranquil countryside retreats, there are plenty of strategies to make your adventures affordable. This video provides practical tips and tricks to help you travel on a budget while still having memorable experiences. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. 10. Plan ahead, but stay open to last-minute deals. One of the best ways to travel cheaply is to plan ahead, but at the same time, leave room for spontaneity. While early planning allows you to secure the best deals on flights, accommodations, and activities, last-minute deals can often provide unexpected savings. Travel websites and apps often offer flash sales or last-minute promotions for those willing to take the risk. For example, if you're flexible with your destination and departure dates, you could snag a cheaper flight just days before departure. Some airlines even offer discounted last-minute tickets to fill empty seats, and accommodation platforms like Booking.com and Hostelworld offer discounts on last-minute bookings. The key is to balance planning with flexibility to ensure you maximize your budget while traveling. 9. Pack smart and travel light. When it comes to traveling on a budget, every penny counts, and packing smart can help you save a considerable amount. Checked baggage fees can quickly add up, especially on budget airlines, so always aim to travel with a carry-on only. A smaller bag not only avoids extra fees, but it also makes your travel experience more manageable, especially if you're hopping between cities or countries. For example, a scarf can double as a beach towel, a light jacket can also work as a blanket, and shoes that are comfortable for walking can be used for both casual sightseeing and a night out. Keep your luggage light and consider packing only the essentials, which not only saves money, but also reduces the stress of lugging around heavy bags. 8. Embrace public transportation. Transportation can be one of the most expensive parts of your trip, especially if you're relying on taxis or private rides. To minimize costs, use public transportation as much as possible. Buses, trams, metros, and even ferries are often much more affordable than other forms of transport, and they allow you to experience a destination like a local. Public transportation in many cities is efficient, safe, and easy to navigate. Many cities also offer travel passes that give you unlimited access to public transportation for a set number of days, which is an excellent deal if you're planning to explore extensively. 7. Use technology to your advantage. In today's digital world, your smartphone can be your best tool for traveling on a budget. There are a variety of apps and websites that can help you find the best deals on flights, accommodations, activities, and more. Use comparison websites like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak to compare prices across different airlines and booking platforms. Signing up for fare alerts can also help you stay informed when prices drop. Use apps like Citymapper or Google Maps to navigate public transportation in new cities and save money on taxis or ride shares. Additionally, travel blogs and forums can provide valuable insider tips on affordable travel in your destination. Join online communities or follow social media accounts dedicated to budget travel to stay updated on special deals, discounts, or travel hacks. 6. Dine like a local. Eating out at restaurants can quickly eat into your travel budget, especially in tourist-heavy areas. One way to keep food costs down is by eating like a local. In many destinations, the best food can be found in street markets, small local eateries, or food stalls, where prices are much more affordable than touristy restaurants. For example, in Thailand, enjoying a plate of pad Thai from a street vendor costs a fraction of what you would pay at a sit-down restaurant. Similarly, in Mexico, tacos from a street cart can give you a taste of local cuisine at an unbeatable price. If your accommodation has kitchen facilities, take advantage of local markets to buy fresh ingredients and cook your own meals. Cooking your meals can be especially cost-effective when traveling for extended periods. Even if you don't have access to a full kitchen, many accommodations provide basic kitchenettes for preparing light meals or snacks. 5. Travel during the off-season. Timing your trip can make a big difference in how much you spend. Traveling during the off-season or shoulder season, when the weather is still pleasant but crowds are thinner, can result in significant savings. Flights, accommodation, and even activities are often much cheaper during these times. For instance, visiting Europe in the winter months or Southeast Asia during the rainy season can provide a more affordable experience while still allowing you to enjoy the sights. Not only will you save money on your trip, but you'll also avoid the large crowds, making for a more relaxed and authentic travel experience. 4. Choose budget accommodations. Luxury hotels may be tempting, but they often come with hefty price tags. Instead, opt for more budget-friendly accommodations like hostels, guest houses, or errand rentals. Hostels are particularly great for solo travelers as they offer the chance to meet other travelers and share experiences. If you're traveling with a group, vacation rentals or apartments can be more affordable than booking separate hotel rooms. Many hosts on Airbnb offer rooms or entire apartments at lower prices than traditional hotels, and sometimes you can even get discounts for longer stays. If you're traveling solo and open to meeting locals, couchsurfing is a great way to find free places to stay in exchange for cultural exchange or just friendly conversation. Free. Opt for free and low-cost activities. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have incredible experiences. Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities that are just as rewarding as pricey tours. Explore the great outdoors by hiking, biking, or taking a leisurely walk through scenic parks or nature reserves. Many cities have beautiful public parks and gardens that are free to enter and offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Many museums and galleries offer discounted or free entry during certain times of the week. Similarly, keep an eye out for free walking tours in cities where locals share their insider knowledge and history. Additionally, many countries have free cultural performances or concerts in public spaces. 2. Earn while you travel. If you plan on traveling long-term, consider earning money while on the road. Many countries offer working holiday visas that allow travelers to work legally while traveling. You can find temporary work in hostels as a tour guide or teaching English. Working a few hours a week can offset accommodation and food costs, allowing you to travel longer. Freelancers can take advantage of the many remote work opportunities available online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a range of gigs that can be done from anywhere, giving you the flexibility to work while exploring. Alternatively, if you have a skill like photography, writing, or design, consider offering your services to fellow travelers or local businesses. This is a fantastic way to save money while connecting with locals and experiencing life in a more meaningful way. 1. Be flexible and think creatively. The most important tip for budget travel is to remain flexible. Being open to alternative destinations, different travel routes, and unconventional accommodations can save you a lot of money. Instead of booking a flight to a popular tourist destination, consider visiting lesser-known locations that are just as beautiful, but far less expensive. Embrace the adventure of traveling on a budget by thinking creatively about your journey. Take advantage of free activities, seek out local experiences, and be open to new, cost-effective travel options. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.